The Huawei Nova 3 and the 3i recently launched this July 28 and it caused quite the hype online. The Nova 3 is Huawei's latest flagship phone in the Nova series. It was labeled as the company's most powerful AI quad-camera smartphone to date. Similar to the Huawei P20 Pro, the Huawei Nova 3 sports a high-silicon Kirin 970 chipset. We managed to get a hold of a unit, so here are our unboxing and first impressions of the device. Hey guys, this is Daniel from Manila Shaker. The device came in a hardened white box with the smartphone's name on top. The package contained a 6.3-inch Huawei Nova 3, a wall adapter, a Y Type-C cord, earphones, a silicone protective case, and a SIM ejector pin. The Nova 3 sports a glass front and back along with a metal frame. It measures 157 by 73.7 by 7.3 millimeters and weighs 166 grams. Similar to other recently released flagships, the smartphone has thin bezels as well as the infamous notch. No physical or capacitive buttons can be seen at the front since Huawei made use of on-screen buttons. Moving on to the rear part of the device, the dual rear cameras are positioned at the top left with its LED flash underneath. The circle-shaped fingerprint sensor can be found at the center. As for its logo, it can be found on the bottom left. The usual power button and volume rockers can be found on the right, whereas the SIM tray is at the left side. The bottom houses the 3.5mm audio jack, microphone, Type-C port, and speaker grills, whereas the top has a sensor. Overall, the design of the Huawei Nova 3 looks really sleek and modern. It looks a bit similar to the Huawei P20 series design. Unfortunately, a downside for us was the smartphone's glass rear back, since it can easily be smudged with fingerprints. In order to solve this, the company included a silicone case in the package. The Huawei Nova 3 features a 6.3-inch Huawei Full View FHD Plus notch display with a resolution of 2340 by 1080 pixels and an aspect ratio of 19.5 by 9. Its screen was bright enough and it managed to produce a good color representation when we tried watching some movie trailers. The color also doesn't change when viewed from different angles. We also tried taking some shots outside and we didn't have any issues with looking at the screen. Some users may not like the notch in the device, since it might serve as a distraction while movie watching. Fortunately, Huawei included an option to hide the notch. The Huawei Nova smartphone features a dual 24MP plus 16MP rear cameras and a dual 24MP plus 2MP front camera that has digital zoom. Here are some sample shots. The Huawei Nova 3 is powered by the high-silicon Kirin 970 along with a Mali G72 MP12 GPU. It comes with 6GB of RAM and an internal storage of 128GB. The smartphone is fueled by a 3750 mAh battery and runs on Android 8.1 Oreo. We'll dive more about its features and user experience in our full review. The Huawei Nova 3 is available in the colors red, black, and iris purple. Its pre-orders start from August 4 to 10 and will officially be available on August 11 at the price of 25,990 pesos. Once again, this has been Daniel from Manila Shaker. Please don't forget to like the video if you liked it and to subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks for watching!